Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix screen flickering issues on your iPhone. So, if your display keeps flashing or flickering, here's how you can fix it. For that, first of all, you have to restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches. After that, you have to go ahead and simply turn off auto brightness. For that, open up settings. Inside your scroll below, then tap on accessibility. Now inside your scroll below again, then tap on display and text size. And then you need to go ahead and simply toggle off auto brightness right over here. Toggle it off. Sometimes the auto sensor causes flickering in the low light. Now after that, you have to disable True Tone and Night Shift. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Display and Brightness. And then you need to go ahead and simply turn off True Tone or Night Shift to see if the flickering stops. And after that, inside Settings, you want to go ahead and tap on General, tap on Software Update, and make sure you have the latest update installed in your iPhone. Apple often fixes screen bugs in updates. If the issue continues, you need to go ahead and simply scroll below, tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, then tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will refresh display settings. So that's it. Try the steps and your iPhone flickering problem should be fixed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.